This is a review of the Wally robot toy that I would highly recommend. This robot toy from Wally has 20 plus lights and sounds, and you can see there's a red button indicator right over there. And I'm going to be pressing that and showing you guys exactly how it works. So when I press this red button, it has 20 plus lights and sounds. So this is going to operate as blue, and then it's going to have some talking and some voice, some voice actions. So as I press this, you're going to see different types of, the talking that he's going to do. So the best thing about this robot toy is that not only does it just talk necessarily, it also has a handheld remote control that you can operate around your entire home. So I'm going to be demonstrating, showing you guys about how it moves around your entire home from this remote control. And you can see it's an up and down remote. So I go up, it'll turn, and I'm going to be showing you guys a better view of how this robot operates. So you can see on the bottom of the robot, you can see there's a red button right over here. If I press this in the middle, it's not going to do anything. It's going to be off. That's the off button. And then the button right over here is where it talks. But the best thing about this Wally robot toy is that not only does it does that, but I can make it go walk around, which I'm going to be showing you guys. So you can see if I have this remote, so now I can make it rotate or it could go straight. So you can see that it has a pedals on the bottom where it could go through tiles, and also it could go through carpet as well too. And overall, I would highly recommend this Wally robot toy if you are looking for a toy to provide entertainment for your kids and also for your family as well too. This Wally robot toy is very a fun product to have around your home because it operates very easy through a remote control. It could go straight, it could go back. This button right here, it can maneuver around. So if you're in a stuck position, you can make it go around and it could come back at you. This button right here obviously is to go straight. And overall, I would highly recommend this Wally robot toy if you are looking for a entertainment for your kids and your family. Then this Wally robot toy is definitely a game changer. And overall, I love this Wally robot toy and would definitely recommend it.